Ever found yourself wondering if there's a real tangible way to make a serious monthly income without diving into the high-risk, high-investment world of traditional business ventures? Well, you've clicked on the right video. This is Luxo-Life, and we're about to dive into the top 5 tips on how to make $50,000 a month from Mini-Mailboxes, a guide that turns the ordinary into extraordinary. But before we dive into these golden nuggets of wisdom, there are 3 crucial mindsets you need to embrace. First, determination. The journey of creating a successful mini mailbox business requires perseverance. It's not just about having a great idea, it's about pushing through challenges and staying committed to your vision. Second, innovation is your best friend. This business is more than just mail. It's about constantly thinking outside the box to offer services that set you apart from the rest. And third, remember, building relationships is at the heart of everything. Your mini mailbox business has the potential to become a vital part of the community, a place where connections are made and nurtured. So gear up for a ride that promises not just financial rewards, but a chance to make a real impact. Let's get started and transform that curiosity into actionable success. Tip 5. Maximize mailbox capacity. Imagine walking into a space, not just any space, but one filled with opportunity, rows upon rows of mini mailboxes. This isn't about cramming as many tiny boxes into a room as physically possible. It's about smart design. Think of your space as a canvas, and you're the artist. You want to create a masterpiece of efficiency and profitability. Here's the scoop. More mailboxes mean more monthly income. It's that simple. But the key? A spacious layout. We're talking about finding a spot where you can easily fit hundreds of mailboxes. Why? Because every mailbox is a tiny rental property ticking away, earning you money month after month. And get this, you don't need a sprawling warehouse. A modest space can turn into a gold mine with the right setup. Imagine starting with 220 mailboxes and then doubling or tripling that number. All you need is a layout that allows for growth. Think vertically, think smartly, and soon you'll see your mailbox empire expand. Tip 4. Diversify revenue streams. Now let's add some flavor to our business model. Diversify. Mailboxes are just the beginning. What about the packages that don't fit in those tiny spaces? Bingo! Package holding services. This is where you step in as the problem solver, holding onto packages until your customers can pick them up. It's simple, it's needed, and best of all, it's another revenue stream. But why stop there? Enter notary services. You'd be surprised how many people need documents notarized yesterday. By offering notary services, you're not just adding another income stream, you're increasing foot traffic, which means more eyes on your other services. Diversification is like adding different instruments to your band. Each one plays a role, creating a richer, more engaging melody, or in our case, a more profitable business. Package holding, notary services, and who knows what else you can add to the mix. The possibilities are endless, and with each new service, you're not just making more money, you're becoming an indispensable part of your community. Tip 3. Optimize location and layout. Choosing the right location for your mini mailbox business is like finding the perfect piece of the puzzle. It's not just about being in the busiest part of town. Instead, focus on finding a spot that's versatile and affordable. You're on the hunt for a space that's a real chameleon, one that can easily morph into the perfect setup for your mailbox empire without draining your wallet. You could prioritize finding a spot with a manageable lease, with enough room to grow and the flexibility to adapt as your business evolves. Take inspiration from our highlighted success story, where a modest 1,400 square foot office at a $2,500 monthly lease became the foundation of a thriving business. This is your goal, a place that's not necessarily flashy but is highly functional. It should allow you to pack in as many mailboxes as possible and still have room to diversify your offerings, ensuring your business can grow and adapt to meet the demands of your customers. Tip 2. Leverage competitive pricing and service offerings. Making your service stand out is crucial, and competitive pricing is your first step. But don't stop there. Offering a variety of mailbox sizes at different price points caters to the unique needs of your customers. For example, small businesses may require larger boxes due to a higher volume of mail, while individuals might need smaller spaces for their personal mail and packages. However, the real gem in your service offerings is package handling. In an era dominated by online shopping, providing a secure spot for package delivery offers tremendous value to your customers. It's about creating a service that's not just about mail, but about offering convenience, security, and peace of mind. By setting clear competitive rates, you become the hero your community didn't know they needed. This approach ensures your business isn't just another mailbox rental service. It's a vital part of your customers' daily lives, making their lives easier and securing their loyalty in the process. And for our top 1, building a strong community presence. Think of it this way, your business isn't just about renting out little boxes, it's about creating a spot in the neighborhood that brings folks together. And what better way to do that than with something as cool and simple as a book exchange? Here's the lowdown. Book exchanges aren't just a side gig to get more people through the door. Although let's be real, that's a pretty great perk. They're about making your spot the go-to place, not just for mail, but for connections. Imagine popping in to drop off a package and finding a book that catches your eye, or swapping a read you loved with someone else in the community. It's this kind of vibe that transforms a regular business into a local hangout spot. This isn't just fluff, it's strategic. By weaving your business into the daily lives of the community, you're not only boosting foot traffic, but you're also building a loyal fan base. People start coming in for the books and sticking around to check out what else you offer. Before you know it, they're renting a mailbox, using your notary service, and telling their friends about this awesome place they love. Integrating community-centric services like a book exchange is a game changer. It shows you're not just there to make a buck, you're there to be part of the community. It adds layers to your business, making it a place where people want to be. And let's face it, in the world where everything's online, providing a little corner of the community where real connections happen, that's gold. Now, as a summary, let's break it down and wrap up everything we've covered, giving you the essentials to make that mailbox money dream a reality. First off, remember those 3 pillars we talked about. Determination, innovation, and building strong relationships are your best buddies on this journey. It's not just about having a cool idea, it's about sticking with it, thinking creatively, and making genuine connections within your community. These aren't just good vibes, they're your foundation for success. Diving into our top 5 tips, we kicked off with maximizing mailbox capacity. Think of it as playing Tetris with real estate. It's all about making the most of what you've got and planning for growth. Then mixing it up with diversified revenue streams like package handling and notary services spices up the deal, making your place a one-stop shop for the community's needs. And don't forget, finding that sweet spot for your location can make or break your business. It's like setting up a lemonade stand where everyone's thirsty. Location matters, but it's the thirst you're quenching that'll keep them coming back. Lastly, competitive pricing and building a strong community presence are the cherries on top. Offering deals that make your customers feel like winners while creating a space that's more than just a transaction spot. That's the goal. From book exchanges to community boards, it's about making your spot the place to be. So there you have it. Dive into these strategies, mix in your unique flair, and watch as your mini mailbox business turns from a dream into a $50,000 a month reality. Now, if you're curious about how you can further expand your entrepreneurial horizon, then don't bounce just yet. We've got another video queued up that dives even deeper into making your business dreams a reality. Trust us, it's a game changer you won't want to miss. But for now, what's holding you back from starting your mini mailbox empire? Drop your thoughts, fears, or that one big dream in the comments below. And hey, if you liked today's video, show Luxo-Life some love by giving us a thumbs up and by clicking that subscribe button. But if you've been here for a while, then might as well hit that bell button to stay updated for more of our content. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.